Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover structure. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover basics of structure. I have defined structure called name, which is collection of variables, which is also called as members of structure. I have defined three variable, or member, or field, called first name, middle name and last name, and created instance, or structure variable for structure name, called my name. I am prompting to provide first name, middle name, and last name, reading the value, and storing it in structure members, and displaying the name using cout function. In the next program, I am going to cover structure variables. We can declare the structure variable while defining structure, or we can declare structure variables separately. We can define multiple structure variables followed by comma separator. Also, we can remove struct keyword while declaring variable using typedef definition. In the next program, I am going to cover structure members. We can assign values to members while defining the structure, or using initialization list, or using .member name within flower brackets, or using structure variable .member name. And we can access the structure members using structure variable .member name. In the next program, I am going to cover structure array. I have defined structure array of size 2, assigned values to members of structure array, and displaying the value using structure array.member name. In the next program, I am going to cover structure pointer. I have declared pointer p name for structure called name, and assigned value as null, and declared structure variable called name, and assigned values for members. Next, I am pointing the structure pointer to structure variable name. We can print the values assigned to member using asterisk pointer name.member name, or pointer name arrow mark member name. In the next program, I am going to cover structure dynamic memory allocation. I have declared pointer p name for structure called name, and assigned value as null. I am using new keyword to allocate memory. I have declared structure variable called name, and assigned values for members. Next, I am pointing the structure pointer to structure variable name, and printing the values assigned to member. Deallocating memory using delete keyword. In the next program, I am going to cover structure nesting. I have defined structure called date with variables as day, month and year, and another structure called name, where I am nesting structure date, and I have defined structure members first name and last name. Next I am assigning the values to members and members in nested structure, and displaying the values assigned to structure member and nested structure members. In the next program, I am going to cover structure pointer as structure member. I have defined structure called name, and created structure pointer as structure member. I have declared three structure pointer called first, previous and current. Dynamically allocated memory for structure pointer current. Assigned structure pointer current to structure pointer first. Prompting to enter name, and storing the value in current structure member called name. Pointing the current structure pointer called next to null, and assigned structure pointer current to structure pointer previous. Allocated memory to current structure pointer again to store next name. pointing the previous structure pointer called next to current structure pointer, getting the name, and storing the value in structure member called name, of current structure pointer, pointing the current structure pointer called next to null. Next, I am assigning the structure pointer first to current structure pointer, and displaying the name using while loop. Deallocated memory for structure pointer current. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on C++ program interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.